Damn. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. Hope you guys having a great day today, great night, wherever you're from. Well, today we're gonna finally get on to doing some cosmetics with the Honda Accord. So the power upgrades is gonna be done for now. I'm already full bolt on. If you watch this video, I'm already full bolt on. So I already have literally front pipe, down pipe, intercooler, intake, exhaust. So I pretty much have everything to basically be, I am full bolt on for the 10th gen Honda Accord, and I have the K2 in there as well. So all that's needed is left is the clutch and then a dyno tune, and then I should be at my 300 horsepower mark that I want to be. But that's not, I'm not gonna do the clutch or the dyno tune until I'm done doing the cosmetic part, which is what I'm doing next now. And what we're gonna install today, which by the title you're gonna see, is the rear trunk lip spoiler, if you can say it. So let's get to that. I already have the garage open. Just gonna back up the Accord and basically give you guys a cold start real quick. So let me show you guys real quick the spoiler that we're gonna put on our trunk over here. Has this is the factory one. I don't like it, so let me show you guys what I got. Yeah, so that's just to give you guys an idea how it looks. So that's why I put it on there. It's not on yet, I haven't mounted it yet, but they give you, if I find the package, they give you some 3M tape, and I believe some, basically like some crazy glue type shit. I forgot what it's called. If I find the bag, I'll tell you guys what it is. So here it is, what they give you. So they have this 3M tape and the glue that I'm talking about here, that's the self-adhesive glue, basically. So this is what they gave us to work with. But what of course my camera dies on me, so now I'm on the phone, so it's just switched right now. So if the quality is different, the audio is different, it's because I'm on my phone right now. My bad, I apologize for that. So yeah, it's just died again. I just charged the damn battery. I don't know if my battery's messed up or something on the camera. I just bought that damn camera too. Anyway, so yeah, I was saying that besides having this package, which is a self-adhesive glue with a 3M tape, what I'm gonna do, if you come over here to the spoiler, let me see if I can, let me take the spoiler out for you guys real quick. See, there's a hole right here. See it? A tail mill could go there, and all the way over here, a tail mill could go there. So I'm gonna drill 2 holes in my trunk so that the spoiler can be held on with 2 10 mils and not just the 3M tape and the self-adhesive glue. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna mark my points on the Accord in the trunk, and then I'm gonna drill out the holes, and then from there I'm mount it up, make sure that the spoiler holds on good, and then I'm gonna take the spoiler back out, put the 3M tape all around the sides over here in the corners, and the self-adhesive glue, and then we mount it back on. First thing you want to do first, I already did this literally I literally did this the day I unboxed the the what's it called, the spoiler, which if I have the clip still, I'm gonna put it right now for you guys. Anyway, so we unboxed the first package. I don't know what it is, but
it's pretty long.
I'm expecting it to be, since it's not too long, to be the spoiler. So we'll see. Right.
It's a pretty long package, fragile.
Yeah, let's
see what we got.
I'd say skinny.
Yeah, unboxing, and I break this shit on camera.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna need a knife again.
Fuck.
Oh god. Yeah, it was a fail.
What?
All this is gloss black too.
So imagine like pink or something.
I ordered it gloss black.
Looks like it could be.
Yeah.
Well,
Oh shit, this is spoiler. So it did come.
So what the hell is all this?
So that's just part of the spoiler and the...
So it's just wrapped up into one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's weird. I thought it was coming separate. So yeah, now you guys basically see the unboxing process of the spoiler, and now we're here. So basically, I took out the trim over here, which is over there. I have all those clips. It's basically a whole bunch of these clips over here. I'll show you guys. It's a whole bunch of these clips that you could use your flathead and pull them out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips that I have. I don't know, maybe there's more. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think there's like 10. I think that the other 2 are hiding somewhere around there. But anyways, once you take that trim piece out, you have access basically to see when you're gonna drill your hole, if you have space in it, to make sure you're not gonna break in through any lines. But what I noticed is that the holes that we're gonna drill is gonna be through here, behind here. So I'm gonna have to stick my hand over here like this to hold the nut or the bolt and tighten it by hand, and then put a ratchet or a wrench there to tighten it. It's gonna be a little complicated, but hopefully we can get it to work. So yeah, let me just get my holes marked, and then from there we go. A quick update. Basically what I'm doing now is basically I got the 3M tape and put it on the holes where the 10 mil bolts will be on both sides, so that way when I just explain to you what I'm gonna do, because I don't have nobody to hold the phone, I'm gonna mount it to the trunk, and then once I mount it, I'm gonna press on it, and hopefully the 3M tape stays stuck to the trunk, and that will be my points of where I have to drill at for the holes. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So a little smarter approach, I got some 3M tape, put it there, but I put some blue Loctite on it, and then that way it will mark on the car, as you can see there, and then over here. So I got my 2 spots where I need to cut now, or I'll drill out. So yeah, it's a good tip. I use that blue Loctite over there. So now I'm gonna go drill those out real quick, then I get back to you guys. My camera died. It didn't charge, I guess. So here we go. One hole, number 1. Hole number 2. So we already got both holes connected. So now the only thing that I have to do next is I have to grab that 3M tape and wrap it all around the edges, all the way around, and then I'll just bolt it up with the screws that I got here. I got the 2 screws already, and that's it. Simple. Let me see if I can see the holes from here. Yeah, the hole is right there. You can see one hole there, and you can see the other one right there. So boom, we're done with the whole part. No more drilling. Had to use my 2 drill bits. I have my thin one. I made my little hole first with this one, and then I'm used the big impact gun to finish up the hole. So yeah, let me get to putting 3M tape on this shit. Update real quick before we put this spoiler on, because I gotta go to work in a minute. Sophia put the tape for me all around. She did me that favor, as you can see, all around the edges, all around. We cover up the holes that so yeah, we cover up all the holes. There's like extra holes around on the edges. Cover all them up because I don't want rain going through it. And yeah, basically that's how we did it. That's how I wanted it. That's the setup for now. And then the 2 screws go in here, which I'm gonna put Loctite on them, which I think I left in the garage. That's when I'm gonna have to go get Loctite. And then I have this adhesive glue. What I'm gonna do with this, I got the cob We're basically gonna put that adhesive all around these edges, all around the tape, and then that's when we're gonna be able to mount it to the trunk. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Just to give you a rough reference what I'm doing, I'm basically going all around the edges, all around, putting it everywhere, as you can see, swiping all around with the cob, putting it all around. And now we're gonna quickly grab this and mount it to the trunk real quick. Put some Loctite on this shit. We need that Loctite. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. So I just finished up real quick. Let me show you guys how it looks. And I only had time to put one screw because like I have to go work at 5 and it's already like 5:30, bro. Look at this shit. Shit look good as hell, bro. Damn, that's how it looks now. Shit look insane, bro. I said I only have one bolt over here. That one bolt right there, and then the one I'm missing is right here. What I'm gonna put tomorrow. I don't have time right now. I gotta go to work. So yeah, basically that's how it's gonna look. That's how it looks. It's holding on tight. You know, the glue and the 3M tape held on strong. Got no complaints, bro. Shit look good as hell. Shit look fire. Anyways, I'm super happy with how the way it came out, man. If you guys think so as well, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you share this in all social medias, and if you want to follow me on Instagram or anywhere, it's at ADONIS_Cortez95. And just stay tuned, man. There's a lot of progression, man. Look at this thing. Damn, shit looks sick. I can't wait to put. Oh yeah, let me show you guys real quick before you guys go, because I gotta go to work. You can see over here, I got a front lip for that, of course. So if you want to see that, make sure you stay tuned. It's gonna be the next videos that's gonna be posted. So stay tuned. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.